the sapphire skies, green fields where freedom flies. Why for peace we rise so high? In the heart of India we shine. Tiranga, our pride and glory. Three colors tell our nation's story. On Independence Day we stand as one. Under the Tiranga the battle's won. From the mountains high to the oceans wide, the Ashok Chakra spins with pride. In unity we find our might. Under the Tiranga we see the light. Tiranga, our pride and glory. Three colors tell our nation's story. On Independence Day we stand as one. Under the Tiranga the battle's won. From the mountains high to the oceans wide, the Ashok Chakra spins with pride. In unity we find our might. Under the Tiranga we see the light. Tiranga, our pride and glory. Three colors tell our nation's story. On Independence Day we stand as one. Under the Tiranga the battle's won. Our ancestors fought, so brave, so true, for the colors of the red, white and blue. But here in India, our flag flies high, in the colors of freedom, till the day we die. Tiranga, our pride and glory. Three colors tell our nation's story. On Independence Day we stand as one. Under the Tiranga the battle's won. So let's raise our voice and sing, for the freedom our Tiranga breathes. In every heart let the anthem ring. Tiranga, forever to you we cling. On the land of sapphire skies, green fields where freedom flies. Why for peace we rise so high? In the heart of India we shine. Tiranga, our pride and glory. Three colors tell our nation's story. On Independence Day we stand as one. Under the Tiranga the battle's won. From the mountains high to the oceans wide, the Ashok Chakra spins with pride. In unity we find our might. Under the Tiranga we see the light. Tiranga, our pride and glory. Three colors tell our nation's story. On Independence Day we stand as one. Under the Tiranga the battle's won. From the mountains high to the oceans wide, the Ashok Chakra spins with pride. In unity we